Shake Shack. So excited. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 15th. We went to Shake Shack. This is my unsolicited review of Shake Shack. Nobody asked me my opinion, and because I'm making y'all watch me eat, I really don't want y'all to listen to it, so this is why I'm talking. But here is my reaction to the food. Oh, this basic for the price. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't make y'all watch me cut the grass again. Literally, y'all see the humidity all over my camera. All that fog and condensation. It's ridiculous. And my baby wanted to make brownies, so this is him doing that. So I hope you guys like watching him make us desserts. Just random thought. What did you guys do with your kids over the summer? Because I got my boys in the kitchen and making breakfast because that's my preferred meal. But we made breakfast this summer so many times. We made hamburgers. We just had a good time. So what did y'all do that was fun for you and your family? If you have a family. Good morning. Okay, so this morning I made an impulsive purchase by purchasing a new camera. So let's just say I have 4 cameras. So my first camera was a T3i, my second camera was a Sony A5100, my third camera, which is this one, is a 77D. And my 4th camera I just purchased. So excited. The camera that I just bought is the DJI Osmo 3. So I gotta go pick it up from Best Buy. Alright, I'm ready to go. TTT. See the fit, see the fit, see the fit. Let's go. So I have 28 miles till E. Am I the typical girl that don't got gas and be driving? Probably. But I don't like getting on gas. I don't like going to get gas. So it say 28 miles, but like the way that it's sitting on E makes me feel like it's not. But I hope I make it to the gas station. So yeah, and I hope the gas station is open, because if not, babe, listen, my little heart gonna be broken. So, but I'm on my way to get my camera. So excited. Hopefully it's everything that I want it to be, and I stop being on bullshit. Okay, I'm back home, guys, and I got it. This is it. So I actually got the camera, I got a new memory card, and I got this light. So let's open it. Oh, it opens up like your Apple stuff. That's why it says you can use it with iPhone on the back, clearly. so instructions. What is that? What is this? Okay, this is the case. Okay, what's this say? Your girl got her camera. What is this? So I was trying to figure out, okay, it says when mounting, insert the battery handle into the Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. Okay, so this is an extra battery. That's what I was hoping that it was. But I was okay with it not. Like, it didn't matter. This is, I think this might be a battery too. Okay, so this is an extended battery. Okay. Okay, both of these have that. Okay, ducky. Okay, ducky. Your girl got a mic now. Alright, so this is how it comes. Tape. Oh, so fire. Okay, it says scan the QR code to download the DJI Mimo and connect the camera to activate. Okay, so here's my phone.
Osmo Pocket 3 first use.
Okay, so I think I done figured it out. But now, so let me see. Okay, I'm turning it off for now. I need to charge it, but also I'm gonna open up this memory card. So I got this one because it was, I think it was $24 for a 256 gigabyte, and I think the largest one that I have a bunch of 128 gigabyte ones, so those hold a lot of memory. But I got this one specifically for this camera. Why? Not sure just yet, but I'm hoping that it works well. And then also, I really like the camera quality. It does look really good. And then it looks good on like regular mode, and it also looks good on the glamour mode. So yeah, I know today I need to clean up this pile of clothes that I have working right here on my floor. And then I also want to switch around my beauty room. But I also said that I'm going to take this camera and go to the gym with it. I'm going to go to the gym with my friends in the morning because they're moving soon. And I want to spend time with them before they go. And the only place they spend time at is the gym. So I'm going to go spend time with them there. Meet your friends where they at, okay? They always come over here because we always at home. But they're the ones that got me into working out last year, so maybe I can get back into it like heavy before they leave, because I always feel like I always have gym anxiety and stuff like that, especially because I've been seeing people been at the gym getting wingworm because they're not cleaning the equipment, which is crazy to me. Yeah, and instead of wingworm, I got COVID instead, so I've been out like all month. Where do you go, memory corn? All right, so I like this little thing that they have. It's really organized. So on this little back part, there's two. There's this little thing here, and then there's one right here. And it had the magnet for the mic, and it has the wide angle lens on it. So I'm gonna take those out and put them inside of this little carry case. Yeah, everything's like magnetic. It's really nice. It's really nice, and the quality is quality. In because when I tell you, I just looked at it and I knew I had like a couple breakouts, which I think is real childish. Okay, I'm 31, so I think I'm 31. Yeah, I'm 31. Okay, and this is for the microphone, I think. Don't give me the line. It might be, it might not be, but that's where it's gonna be for now. And then this goes here. Oh, there's a slot. There's a slot here for, see, the microphone. It's a slot there. You just gotta make sure this don't come off, and then this should slide in. No, I feel like this is supposed to be that way. I could be wrong, but, and then, okay, I can do that. It don't make no noise or nothing. I just wanted to make sure it's in there correctly though. This camera is so crispy. Like, when I say it's crispy, it is crispy. It is nice. But it's real compact, real on the desk, real I can get to what I'm trying to get to. I ain't gotta worry about nothing else. And then I have my other let's see. Okay, so this is the built-in camera, I guess. And then okay, now it says that the mic to transmitter, one connected and used for audio input, 60% battery remaining. I don't know what I was about to say just a second ago. So we'll see if we like the audio. Hi.
Hi.
My sweet babies.
Baby.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, DJ.
My baby.
You my baby.
No, come here.
Huh?
A baby.
Oh, you not a baby? They babies?
Yeah, come here.
So you a big man?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, JJ. JJ, big man, and then my twins is my babies.
Yeah.
Twins are right up. Come on, yeah. You don't want to go with Ray Ray? You gotta pull the seat from around you, baby. Go like this.
Oh! I was like, why is she holding a tripod? That's cool.
Nah, that's my camera.
Where'd it go?
I just got it today. They went in front of the truck.
No.
Bye, Jalon. Bye, baby. Good morning. I guess it's gym time. We'll see how this goes. I feel like I'm really here just for moral support. Moral support of who? I don't know, because my friends are way more consistent than I am. But it's because I said I was going to come. That's why I'm here. So go look at yourself in the mirror.
This is super cool.
And then on the screen, if you tap the bottom right corner,
You can flip the camera.
extra creamy. Try that. Okay, so I just finished at the gym. And I think it went well. I think it went very well. So I just finished up. I do actually need to get in this car and like clean it up. I need to clean it up sooner than later. I need to like get it washed, vacuum. I actually want to do the shampooer, like shampoo it and stuff. Ooh. So yeah, I'm on the way home. The workout was pretty good. I feel like chest is my underworked body part, and I probably should do it more often. And yeah, it's a thing. But chest doesn't make me sweat as to where I feel like I'm starving. Granted, I feel like I was hungry earlier too, like when I left the house this morning. But I'm happy I did get up and go, and we had a good workout, and we laughed, had a good time. And I didn't push her workout like super over. Like if I wasn't there, she probably would have finished way earlier. So I think that'd be my big thing. I don't be wanting to like intrude. But my friend is only here for like 2 more weeks. So if my mutual spot to meet up with her is at the gym, I guess that's where I gotta be at for the next couple weeks. But hopefully that can like get me consistent in like wanting to do it. Also, because the boys are about to go back to school, and with the boys going back to school, I need to like get some business by myself.